In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Copilot and set it up to develop a personalized workout plan tailored just for you. Getting started with your fitness journey can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and a bit of guidance, it becomes a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. Let's walk through the process step by step so that you can get the most out of your workouts. The first thing you need to do is open up Microsoft Copilot. If this is your first time using Copilot, you might want to quickly familiarize yourself with its layout and controls. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you'll find it intuitive and easy to navigate. Now let's get down to business. The key to creating a workout plan that truly matches your needs starts by telling Copilot your specific fitness goal. Everyone's fitness journey is unique, and Copilot can customize your workout plan whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle. Once you've shared your goal, the next step is to identify your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner just getting started, someone at an intermediate level with some experience under your belt, or an advanced user who works out regularly, it's important to be honest here. This information allows Copilot to generate a workout routine that is both challenging and rewarding without being overwhelming. Now let's talk frequency. How often do you want to work out? Frequency is a crucial component of any effective fitness plan. You might aim for specific days like 3 days a week or a focus on duration, such as 30 minutes a day. Whatever schedule suits your lifestyle best, make sure it's something you can commit to consistently. Consistency is key in making substantial progress over time. With all this information, it's time for the exciting part, asking Copilot to create a workout plan. You can do this by typing a simple request like, create a 4-week beginner workout plan for weight loss. Make sure to be clear and specific so that Copilot can generate the most relevant plan for you. The tailored plan will encompass various workouts that align with your fitness goals and levels. Once you have your plan, give it a good review. It's important to ensure it reflects what you want to achieve. Don't hesitate to ask Copilot for changes if needed. Maybe you want to incorporate more cardio, or perhaps you'd like workouts that cater to exercising at home. Simply tell Copilot your adjustments and it will refine your plan accordingly. And there you have it. You now know how to create a workout plan using Microsoft Copilot that's tailored specifically for you, empowering you to embark on your fitness journey with confidence and clarity. Keep your goals in mind, stay consistent, and remember that every small step you take brings you closer to your aspirations.